So what's up guys, and today we're unboxing the Hot Wheels. So today is almost like 10 o'clock, like that. So this is the Hot Wheels Chevrolet Corvette C7R. Let me show you. Yeah, right there. So this is the Chevrolet Corvette C7R. Do you see that? Can you guys see it? Yeah, right there. And this is the 18 Camaro SS. See that? Hot Wheels branded. And then there's the 18 Camaro SS right there. And I think we're just gonna open our new little guy. Is the 18 Camaro SS. I'll show you. Okay, this is the new branded car. See that? Yeah, right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it should be very good. And this is the picture if you guys want to see it. Yeah, like that. So for the new Chevrolet Corvette C7R, I'll show you. This one is also a very new car. See that? This is the Chevrolet Corvette C7R. If you guys cannot see it, you can look at the picture. It's blue color, so I don't know if you guys can see. Okay. So after this, I think tomorrow or the next video, I'll just make another video. I'll just race my two car. So I should say, we'll stop it right here. So bye guys. Thanks for liking and subscribe. It was really right below. And I'll stop right here. I'll do the next video tomorrow. Okay, bye.